Greetings. Changing your paradigm is the key to change the results you will get in business. So whatever business you want to pursue, whatever you would like to do in life, I'm saying to you, the key is you learning to change the paradigm. What do I mean by that? What concept you hold about yourself? How do you see yourself? How was your mind shaped from a child? What are the things that have been impressed upon your subconscious mind? Those are the things that are basically shaping your paradigm. And you will take everything that you have in you with the business that you're going to pursue. So, you see, people get into business and they fail to realize that business is more psychological and more spiritual than physical. That is why you have to understand yourself on all three levels, which is the physical level, the psychological level, and the spiritual level. And so many of us were taught only to vibrate on one level, which is only the physical level. And that is why I've been teaching people all around the world how to understand the Bible on all three levels. Okay, which is the physical level, the psychological level, and the spiritual level. Okay, how to understand it metaphysically and esoterically, how to understand it psychologically. Okay, because when preachers and so on try to use the Bible, to help you to become a better businessman and businesswoman while you still being religious and superstitious, they are actually making you a little bit more limited. Okay, but when you understand that you are a limitless being and that you're just a spirit having a human experience, you're not a human trying to be spiritual, then you'll understand how, your business can be more prosperous, how your business can grow, how your business can expand by you changing the paradigm, which is basically the programming that was impressed upon your subconscious mind in your formative years. That is why if you're going to venture into any business at all, you have to first of all learn to rearrange your mind. You can have a mind of lack and scarcity, a mind that is filled with fear. Many religious people, fail many times in business because deep in the subconscious mind they carry around fear, guilt, shame, doubt, condemnation, and judgment. And they carry around self-hate and don't even know it because they separate themselves from God. So my brother, my sisters, you need a paradigm shift. Okay, if you're gonna be successful in business. So whatever business you're thinking about to pursue or to get into, you need a mentor. Okay, one who can show you, business from a spiritual standpoint. Why the Bible tell you must be fervent in spirit. Okay, and how you must go about business. You see, many people do not know that the Bible is a business book because they do not know that it's a book of mind science. And the biggest business is mind business. That is why, people always say mind your business. What they're saying that your mind is your business. It's the biggest business there is. So I'm saying you have to fix your mind first before you can fix your business. If you're going to pursue or get into any business, okay, you have to fix your mind first, okay, before you really get into business, because you can attract, the wrong people. If you're gonna have partnership and so on, you attract the wrong people. Okay, you might get the wrong advice from the wrong people. Sometimes people go to their pastors and so on, men from the ecclesiastical cloth for advice. But many a time these people, they have no experience of their own, and they themselves have been formed and shaped or molded in the paradigm that the system creates. Because the whole religious system, okay, has been created to control your perception. But when you break out of that mold and you go into business, your business is going to grow. It's going to expand. Because why? You would realize that all this vast expansion that you're seeing on the outside, it is within you. That is why most of these successful millionaires, multimillionaires, billionaires in this world, whether you believe it or not, they are very spiritual people. Okay, they might not disclose a lot of things to the world, but they're more in touch with their spiritual self. They more have a better understanding of how the mind works. So, my brother and my sisters, the reason why I'm doing this video, because you might be thinking about widening your scope. You might be thinking about starting a business. You might be thinking about doing, something more with your life. You might be thinking, about achieving more in life. But I'm saying to you, when you understand that you are the cause, you have to go from within and start from within. I'm teaching you to live from inside out, not from outside in. Okay? And I'm doing this because I know, the society the society that I grew up in, how my subconscious mind was shaped, to think. And when I look around, my society, and I see the people that look like me, I used to ask myself the question, why they always at the bottom of the pyramid. Okay, and I find the answer, because most of the time they are more consumers than producers. But if you're gonna give service that is gonna reach out and touch the lives of people all around the world, you definitely have to fix yourself first. Okay, and to do that, you have to definitely break out of the paradigm, whatever paradigm that shape your life. And all of us, we grew up in certain environments, certain homes, among our parents with certain beliefs, and the system is right here to influence us. And many a time we conform. But I'm saying to you, be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Rearrange your mind for greatness. Rearrange your mind to be a winner. Rearrange your mind by getting a mentor. Okay, don't you can't have the mindset that everybody is out here trying to scam you. You can have the mindset that people who don't have the same belief like you, they're going to some hell. You can have the mindset believing that you have some enemy outside of yourself. You can have those kind of mindset, and you're not limited. You see, some people might just example and show you that men and women who are religious and superstitious and going to church have a certain amount of money, but I am telling you, they're actually limiting their potential. They could be greater. They could accomplish far much more if they would only change their mindset and get out of the paradigm. And most of the time, they have to be living like contradictory life. They have to be lying to the people. And when they themselves find certain truth, they can't come up plainly and tell the people the truth. You see, one man tried to do that and he lose everything. A man named Carlton Pearson tried to tell a church of 6,000 people that there's no eternal hell. All the time he was always bothering him and so on, and a lot of things that he was teaching them, he always questioned them himself and so on. He lost everything. So my brother and my sisters, if you're listening to me, I'm saying to you, get out of the paradigm. If you want to start your business, okay, because we are here to serve each other, and whatsoever you're gonna do, okay, it mustn't just be just about the money alone, but you want to really touch other people's lives. You want to do good things in society. But most of all, if you would definitely fix your life first, trust me, your business will be a reflection of you. So get a purging, get a cleansing, purify yourself. Get a mentor, work with a mentor. So as I come to a close here, my brother, my sister, if you like me to be your mentor, you can definitely reach out to me. I normally offer one-on-one. You can reach out to me directly. You can do a one-on-one with me on an app that I'm on named Faithia. Okay, the choice is yours. Also, if you want to be a part of my Patreon community, you can join my Patreon community. And for those who are donating $20 or more, I have a course that is called The Inner Sun Science and Technology to Create Your Reality Consciously. And along with that is a bonus course on self-concept. Okay, so if you want to be a part of my Patreon community, you're most welcome. If you want to read my books, the links are also down below. But my main encouragement to you is to just follow your intuition, okay? And let your intuition lead you and guide you when you check out all of the links that are down below. So with that being said, my brother and my sister, I just want to say peace, love you all, out.